here. This is my Traxxas X Maxx and the TQi. Recently has been giving me a lot of problem. It is not binding with the transmitter, so try and swap the receiver. So let's begin and see how we do it. The battery connections are already off. I'll remove the batteries for now. Okay. So we begin by removing these 4 screws here. This screw, I've already loosened it. Okay, and this is on the other side. Okay. Once the screws are removed, we can remove the transmitter cover. Just here. This will remove the cover of the receiver here. Now these 2 screws will be needed to be removed so that we can remove the antenna, the wire of the antenna. These are similar screws, so there is no fear of interchanging. To remove the antenna, there is a Allen set screw here. We'll loosen it up. Okay, so this is the antenna tube. This is the receiver, and the antenna wire can come out from here. Okay, now this is a Radiolink R7FG. I recently purchased it from eBay. So now we'll be fixing it. So this is the channel 1 for the steering. So channel 1 goes out and comes in here for the channel 1. Okay. This is the here channel 2. Okay, this is for the ESC speed controller. Goes here in the channel 2. These two. This is for the temperature sensor. We'll just remove it. This is the battery sensor. We'll remove this also. Okay, this one we'll remove. This is the battery sensor, it will go here. No. Okay. So now this also comes with battery telemetry. So in either of the battery connections you can put it. This connector. This one over here, and this one over here. Now this connection, and this is the telemetry port. Okay, this says here clearly the plus and the minus, so make sure that the red wire goes into the plus side. Okay, so now this is safely inside. So first just let us check it out if the connections are okay. Here's the other battery. The transmitter. This is the transmitter. This is a Radiolink RC6GS. Okay, so just need to power it on. Let's see. Okay, 4 more batteries are needed. They are here in the Traxxas TQi. No. Okay, I have them right here. Okay, so let's turn on the transmitter first. First, also need to pair it for the first time. Okay. Now for pairing, here. When changing critical equipments, especially ones which are connected to the transmitter and the receiver, the RC module might run off. So that's why we have wheels off, so that this doesn't run around and break things around the place. Now we'll switch it on. It goes into pairing, and it is paired. Okay.
Show me the room.
Now what we'll do is we need to calibrate the throttle. So this easy set button, first we'll switch it off.
Button.
Now this is the easy set button. So what we'll do, we'll press the button. The green light turns to red. Keep it pressed. Now one blink. Then we go full throttle and we should be able to see the light here. When full throttle, it will blink twice. Okay, set. Now we'll go to full reverse. And that's done. It should be paired now. We can see this. Okay, we have a successful pair. Turn the gyro function on. This button we need to tap it thrice. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this light blinks. Now this is in gyro mode. You can see I'll just increase the. You can see here. The wheels are auto-correcting. This means that the gyro is working fine. Here. Now to check if the direction of the receiver is correct, when the truck turns left, it should counter steer right. Okay. That's right. And now just what we need. Is a little bit of double-sided tape. This is that, so that the. Now let's turn it off for a while until we make other connections. Now the RC7FG comes with 2 antennas. Okay. Now that this goes the receiver antenna. Side here. Side we can lock it back. The set screw. This excess wire we can pull it back. Firmly into place. The remaining wire, the second antenna, we can just coil it and put it inside the tray. So the problem will be, now if we put the receiver cover back on, there is no way we can get the telemetry cable out without hampering the integrity of the water tightness of the receiver tray. So later what we'll have to do is we'll have to convert this to a 2-pin module and then try to force it back here, so that way we can have the telemetry of battery voltage through the ESC. Maybe we'll check all that later. So let's see if all our corrections are alright. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, that's paired and it's in red color, so this means that the gyro function is on. Okay, everything seems to be fine. So we're putting back the cover. We'll just take the truck for a short spin. Yeah, you can see it's down to steering.